In this video, let me show you how to use Duolingo streak freeze effectively. Now, in order to use your streak freeze effectively inside of Duolingo, you will need to keep them equipped all times, which is normally 2, where you can purchase them immediately after you protect your progress during unexpected breaks. So what you can simply do is head over to the gem section, and right here you'll be able to see the option which says streak. Now, as I said, they are normally equipped by 2. If you miss a day, the streak feed will automatically get enabled, meaning your one streak will be removed so that you do not lose your progress. So this process is automatic. You do not need to manually activate them. If you miss a day, the system will automatically use the equip freeze from the section that I just showed you. Now, after a freeze is used, buy a new freeze immediately to prepare for the next unfrozen interruption. So what I mean by that is, if you again miss a day, to ensure that you do not freeze your streak, you can ensure that you again buy the streak, which is the 2 streaks which are being shown on the screen. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.